country's biggest factory by size and the second largest building in the world by volume, Tesla recently opened its most ambitious line of production, the Giga Texas. Achieving this kind of progress in just 27 months is not an easy task to pull off, but Tesla's founder Elon Musk is not one to go easy on his visions, and is continuously crossing his stuff off of his to-do list, which are impossible to do in the eyes of many people. We think it's only fair to take a deeper look into this factory's design and its architecture, so let's dig in. Tesla team considered dozens of locations across 8 states to build their Gigafactory, but it was Texas that became the home for this country's headquarters. Tesla received around $50 million tax incentive to build its factory on a 2,100-acre site on the edge of Harold Green Road, and by the end of July 2020, construction began. The general contractor for the construction was Austin Commercial, and they were tasked to provide labor, material, and services such as hiring subcontractors and preparing the equipment needed for the construction. For civil engineering, Tesla hired Garza EMC to provide design consulting for Giga Texas. They're the ones who filed the application on behalf of Tesla to the city of Austin. Now, we haven't found any official blueprints from inside the factory, but based on the layouts they published at Cyber Rodeo, you can see the functional diagrams. Ultimately, Giga Texas is a multi-structural building that spans over 2 separate foundations. To give you another sense of scale, there's literally a road going through this building to bring the amount of indoor material transportation to a minimum. So obviously there's a lot of ground to cover for us. We're working on more content about Tesla and its design scheme, including all the Gigafactories and its showrooms around the globe. Until then, this was the intro for Tesla Gigafactory design. My name is Abba and thank you for watching.